evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of the chapter retirement of the partner. Retirement of partner. Okay. Today we will discuss which topic. First one is payment of the amount. Payment of the amount to retiring partner. Means what amount we will pay and how we will pay. Today we will discuss. Second, adjustment of capital according to new profit sharing ratio. And third one is calculation of hidden goodwill. Okay, my dear friends. So first of all, we will see the payment of the amount due to the retiring partner. Okay. So how we will discuss? Okay, start. Payment of the amount due to retiring partner. Suppose A, B and C, there are three partners and C is being retired from the partnership firm. C is being retired from the partnership firm. So what entry would be passed for the paying the amount to retiring partner? Getting over? Means what entry would be passed? Okay. So entry we will discuss. If we are paying in cash and through loan, by two ways we can pay. First way is by cash and second one is by loan. Getting over? So if we are paying cash, then what entry would be passed? Entry retiring partner यानी C, retiring partner capital account debit to what? If we are paying cash, then cash. If we are paying through bank, then we will write bank. Getting on? First accounting, first entry. Any problem? No. Okay. If we are paying through loan, then we will transfer to that amount whatever we are paying to the retiring partner in the retiring partner's loan account. Getting over? Means we will open what? C's loan account. Yani C's capital account debit, retiring partner's capital account debit to retiring partner's loan account. Getting over? So what entry will be passed if you are paying through loan? Retiring partners capital account debit to retiring partners loan account. Okay, C's capital account debit to C's loan account. Getting over? So we can describe all these things by this way. Getting over? So first topic, under first topic, if you are paying through cash, then entry will be passed retiring partners capital account debit to cash bank, and through loan retiring partners capital account debit to retiring partners loan account. Clear? Okay. Second topic is adjustment of capital according to new profit sharing ratio. Adjustment of capital according to new profit sharing ratio. Clear? New profit sharing ratio. Okay. Suppose A, B, C, there are three partners and C is being retired. Okay. After retiring C, the total capital of the partnership firm would be 20 lakh. So this amount will be distributed according to new profit sharing ratio of the partner. Getting over? Means how we will do the accounting treatment in a practically. First of all, what we will do? We will prepare revaluation account and we will distribute all the profit and losses in between all the partners according to the profit sharing ratio of the partner. Means if A, B, C there are three partners, we will prepare first of all revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. Okay, after revaluation account, prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account means A, B, C's. All accounting treatment will be done. All transaction will be done in the means if it is related from the retiring partner or if it is related from the continuing partner. Means all transaction we will consider under the partners capital account. And after all transactions means buy balance VD in partner. I am talking about the partners capital account. Buy balance VD, buy reserve, buy profits, buy revaluations. If any amount introduced by the any partner, buy cash. Okay, amount of goodwill transactions, buy goodwill. So if all the transaction and the debit side, if any drawing, interest on drawing, okay, means anything. If any liability relating to the retiring partner, or after doing all the transactions, we will calculate the net balances of the partner's capital account. Suppose ABC and it is credit side and it is debit side. Okay, so A, B, C, there are three partners and balances are coming here. C's balance is 10 lakh. After paying C 10 lakh, C will go. Okay, means we will pay through cash or loan. We will transfer to the, if we are knowing, then same before this what I am saying, what I have told you. Okay, this concept, retiring partner. If we are paying through cash, then to cash bank. If we are transferring in loan, then we will transfer in loan account. After C, okay, we will calculate the balances of the continuing partner. And what balances are coming? If the amount of capital is more according to the new profit sharing ratio, amount of capital is more, then they will withdraw. And if any deficiency in amount of capital according to the new partner's capital, according to the new profit sharing ratio, मीन्स अगर इस कैपिटल के अमाउंट में से कोई डेफिशिएंसी आ रही है तो दे विल इंट्रोड्यूस द अमाउंट इन द पार्टनरशिप. गेटिंग ओवर? सो दिस अमाउंट वी विल एडजस्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. सो दिस इज डू इन प्रैक्टिकली. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स आर अवेलेबल इन प्रैक्टिकली अप्रोच, नॉट इन थियोरेटिकल अप्रोच. We have to do in the practical sense. We have to do in the in practical questions. Okay, so there are no any theory concepts. You will get only through practical questions. So hope you all are getting. Third, calculation of hidden goodwill. Calculation of hidden goodwill. Third things, calculation of hidden goodwill. Suppose A, B, and C there are three partners. Okay, C is being retired, and C, the total amount of the C's is coming 1,20,000. The total amount of total balance of C, whatever the company partnership firm is calculating, that is 1,20,000. And after 1,20,000, the partnership firm is paying 1,50,000. Getting? Means the amount of the actual amount of the C's is 1,20,000 after calculating all balances, after giving all balances of the C's. Okay, but the actually the partnership firm is paying 1,50,000. So what is the difference between both of this amount? 30,000. This is the amount that is called hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill. This is the amount that is called hidden goodwill, and that amount we will distribute according to the gaining ratio between A and B. gaining ratio. Okay, entry will be done. What entry will be done? Continuing partners capital account debit. Continuing partners capital account debit to retiring partner. Retiring partners capital account. Okay, 30,000 ये एंट्री बनेगी. Okay, my dear students, continuing partners you can pass if according to this question A is capital account debit, B is capital account debit to C is capital. According to the gaining ratio, whatever gaining ratio will come, we will distribute according to the gaining ratio. Getting over? So like this we will solve all the questions, and we will not prepare in this chapter according to the reduced syllabus, according to the revised syllabus. We don't need to prepare partners loan account and no need to know partners loan account. Getting over? So, and death of the partner. So this is the last concept of according to the revised syllabus of your accountancy. Okay, my dear students, retirement of the partner, we will distribute the goodwill in like this. So all the concepts I have given to you through through videos. Okay, if you are getting all these things, so please like, share and subscribe. Okay, and if you have any problem you can ask in comments and through direct contacts. Okay, so please watch the videos and try to do all the questions whatever given in your exercise. Okay, if you will not do, then you will not be capable to do anything or any question in your exams. So this is very easier chapter, whatever I have told you. Okay, so please do questions according to the see your examples and do your questions. So for today, thank you very much.